Hi, this is Chris from Tyre Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Hyundai i30 Active Wagon, stock reference number 4981. This shape runs from the 12th month 2012 through to the 4th month 2017. It has a G4FD 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4FD 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiator grille, right-hand fog light, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has 1 small dent, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has 1 small dent, right guard has 1 small dent, right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Tyre Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.